maybe I'll take you down with me. See, I added a rock there. I made the summit just a little bit, it's a little bit higher, which is kind of cool. I seen it on my way up and I figured, why not? But if you can tell here, we got some severe weather rolling in. So I'm glad I did it while I did, because I wouldn't have done it if I seen this when I was 30 minutes away. She's reaching 100% humidity. It's really a shame, because there's beautiful mountains almost 360 from here. Oh well, maybe I didn't get too wet. It's not been crazy bad. Oh cool, bird. However, I got to see what the weather's going to do, or at least make a read. Maybe, oh, yeah, that's cool. There's lakes and all sorts of beautiful stuff around me. Mountains. There's a mountain over here that I want to go summit. There's mountain chains over here. Oh man. Oh well, I can't win them all. Kind of feel like hanging out for a little bit, seeing if this doesn't lift.